Alright, you're going to start with a valley fold again. So you're going to fold it, crease it, open it up, and fold your two corners in. Crease here, and then flip the paper over and fold this tip backwards like that. Once you have that done, you're going to fold this edge right here against your center fold, just like that. And then same thing on the other side, this edge to your center fold, just like that. And once that's done, take the plane and then you'll fold it in half this way, line up your wings and your center fold. Make sure you do a tight crease on everything, and then all you do is fold your two wings, flip it over, match that one up, crease everything, and there you go, the flying fish. Hope you enjoyed it. Come back tomorrow and check out the next airplane of the day. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.